equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. First, power off your HP Victus 16d1002ns and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the repair. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. After the back cover is off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. Cleaning this area can help improve performance. Now, locate the screen connector. It is usually situated near the hinges of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the cable by lifting the connector gently. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. Next, remove the screws that hold the screen in place. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side of the screen. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop via a cable. With the old screen removed, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Before securing it, connect the screen cable to the motherboard. Ensure it is firmly in place to avoid any display issues later on. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Once the cable is connected, secure the new screen with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fastened to prevent any movement. After this, reconnect the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws at the base of the laptop to secure the back cover. Power on your HP Victus 16d1002ns and check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP Victus 16d1002ns. With the right tools and a bit of patience, this repair can be done at home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.